Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the DIV and DDIV command in XINJE PLC and what's the difference between DIV and DDIV command in XINJE. Let's go to the software. First, we will put it here LDM100 and we will choose our command. Just write it here in DIV and choose any data registers. For example, D0 I will choose, and next which you have to be multiply like multiply look like any DIV division. DIV means division. So next we will choose D10 and next we will choose D20 and click enter, because of which value we will write at the D0 and we will divide by D10 and answer takes in the D20. So next we will take one more LDM200 and that's we will be stop it here first, and next we will write DDIV. DDIV means double integer division. Because of we type just DIV means single integer yani word, and double integer DDIV when you type, and after we will take some data registers D30 or 40 we can choose D40, D50 and next D70 we can choose and click enter. Just only download this program and wait until it will be downloading successfully. Now it's ready and click it on the run cycle. As this message displayed, think about this is our PLC's run mode and make the set it on M100 and M200 also we will make it on. What's the difference in DIV and DDIV? See, we will write the some value at the D0, for example 32,767 and click enter. This value is ready, and if you type it here, for example 7, I just type it here 8 for example, and you click enter, after you can see is not accepted. Because of why? This data registers DIV command just only holds the minus 32,768 to plus 32,767 value. Above the value if you like to be right, so what you have to be do here, just type 7 and click enter. You can see it's accepted, and after you like to divide by this value, any value when you type it here, for example random value 234, after you can see answer is getting in the D20. Instead of this DIV value D40, if you type for example 99999, how much value long you like to be typed, you can see it's accepted. Because of the same command, this is division command, this is also division command, only difference is what this is the integer, this is the double integer. Double word means this is a single word, this is the double word. Here you any value like to be big value like to be type and like to be divide by 50. I will put some random value in the 34.5 for example, any can take, and we can take the answer. Any value when is coming from the field, and there is a, if big values for example, you can choose DIV command, and if it's small values, no problem, you can choose the DIV command. So hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.